Question number 9. Write a program to input 3 numbers and swap them as this. Here given some instruction. So take 3 numbers as an input value. First number becomes the second number. Second number becomes the third number, and third number becomes the first number. So like this you have to interchange. First number becomes the second number, and second number becomes the third number, and third number becomes the first number. Like this you have to interchange. So first we will take input 3 values. So num1, num2, num3. Num1 equal to int input, enter first number. So num2 int input, enter second numbers. I already told that in the question number 8, int place if you want to write in the float value, so then you can answer int place float. Okay, so then print original numbers num1 comma num2 comma num3. Then afterwards num1 becomes to the second number, so the num1 equal to what is the value will come, num2. Then num2 becomes third number, so num2 value will come to the num3. And then num3 becomes to the first number, so num3 equal to num1. Follow the sequence. Okay, so whenever, see, this is also tuple values. Now you can ask the question also, maybe you have query also, ma'am, and the tuple braces has parentheses. Here we did not mention any parentheses. So whenever remember that any variable afterwards comma then multiple has given, so this is the tuple value. Okay, so our tuple value we can write it after swapping the numbers num1 comma num2 comma num3. Enter the first number, suppose 45, second number 65, third number 76. Original number 45, 65, 76, and after swapping first number becomes to the second number, so this one 65 first will come, second number becomes to the third number, so 76 came to the second number, and third number becomes to the first number, so third number becomes first number is 45, so 45 has came here. So 65, 76, 45.